Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger website builder and want Google to index it properly, detect errors, and track search performance, integrating Google Search Console is mandatory in 2026. The good news, you don't need plugins, HTML files, or WordPress tricks. Hostinger makes this clean as long as you choose the right verification method. So most people fail because they verify the wrong property type or paste the code in the wrong place. So we will not do that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Hostinger Websites Builder with Google Search Console in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open Google Search Console. So go to Google Search Console.com. Okay, so click Start Now, and you will see two options. Okay, as you can see, URL, prefix, and domain property. So covers all domain property, covers all versions. Okay, URL prefix tracks only one version, less reliable long term, and always choose domain property if possible. So get the DNS verification record. So after choosing domain, Google will give you a TXT record. Okay, so copy this entire value exactly, add the TXT record in DNS, go to where your DNS is managed, Hostinger hPanel, okay, or external DNS. If DNS is at Hostinger, log into Hostinger hPanel, go to domains, okay, DNS or zone editor, okay, and add a TXT record and save. So do not edit name services. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.